Hi, this is Litre Turtle Parts Plus. Today we have a 2007 Kia Sorento, stock number 6314. This ran from the 7th 2007 to the 9th 2009. It has a G6DB 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a G6DB 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch fat alloy mag flat tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 2 dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holders, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,